Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson on absolute value equation and inequalities. If you are preparing for SAT or ACT, this lesson will give you a good help. Okay, let's go. Now we begin with the part 1, absolute value. The absolute value of x write like this. There's two sticks. In the middle of the sticks, we write x. It means the distance between 0 and x, and we don't consider direction. We can draw an image in the horizontal axis. This is 0, and its convention, the right direction is positive direction, the left is negative direction. If this is 5, and the distance between the 0 and 5, we know it is 5, so the absolute value of the 5 is 5. Also, if this one is negative 5, the distance between the negative 5 and 0, this one we know is 5, so we can get the absolute value of the negative 5 is 5. So we can get the key rule. If the absolute value of the x is equal to a, in here a is greater than or equals 0, we can solve the solution. One is x equals a, or x equals to negative a. So we can easily solve the question if the negative absolute value of x equals 3. We can easily get x equals 3 or x equals negative 3. Also, we can get the other example. If this is the absolute value of the 2 times x minus 5 equals 3, we can get 2 times x minus 5 equals 3, or 2 times x minus 5 equals minus 3. In this, we can left plus 5 and the right plus 5. So the right we can get the 2 times x, and the left 2 times x, the right is 8, so we can get x equals to 4. And this one equation, also the right plus 5, left plus 5, also the right plus 5. So we can get 2 times x equals 2, so x equals 1. So we can get the solution. One is x equals 4, or x equals 1. Now we begin with the part 2, absolute value inequalities. I will give the two cases. One is the absolute value of x is less than a. The case 2, the value of x is greater than a. So we follow the case 1. In this case 1, this means the number is within a certain range. Yeah, it's in a certain range. We can give an example. If the absolute value of x is less than 3, we can draw a picture. Here is 0, here is 3, here is negative 3. So if the distance between x and 0 is less than 3, so it is within the minus 3 and 3. So we can get x is greater than minus 3 and x is less than 3. So here a is 3, so in the first case we can get x is greater than minus a and less than a. Now we talk about the case 2. If the absolute value of the x is greater than a, so we also can draw the picture. Here is 0. If the x absolute value is greater than 2, then here is 2 and here is minus 2. The equation means the distance between the x and 0 is greater than 2, so it is outside a certain range. It greater than, if in the right positive is greater than 2, so it is must out is bigger than 2, so here is this range. And also the same in the positive direction, the distance between 0 and the x is greater than 2, so in here is this range. So we can get the answer x is greater than 2, this range, or x is less than minus 2, this range. So we can get the key rule. In here a is 2, so we can get the x is greater than a, or x is less than minus a. Now we can get the 2 examples. Example 1. If the absolute value of the 2 times x minus 4 is less than 6, we can get a rule. 2 times x minus 4 is less than 6, so it is must within a range, so it's greater than minus 6, less than 6. And the 3 items we plus 4, minus 6 plus 4, the middle plus 4, and the right plus 4. So middle item is 2 times x the left one is minus 2, the right one is 10, and the 2 times over 2, left over 2, the right over 2. So middle is x, the right one is minus 1, the right one is minus 5. So we can get the answer x is greater than minus 1 and less than 5. We also can get write like this: x belong to the range minus 1, 5. Also, we can see the next example 2. The absolute value of the x plus 3 is greater than 5. So we can get from the above rule, because it's greater than 5, so it's outside of the range. So 1x plus 3 is greater than 5, or x plus 3 is less than minus 5. From this, we can the left one minus 3, also the right one minus 3. We can easily get x is greater than 2. And this one item equation the same, the right one minus 3. Oh, sorry. Minus. So in this, also the right one minus 3. So the left one we can get is x is less than minus 8. So you can get a write like this: x is greater than 2, or x is less than minus 8. We also can write the answer like this: x between 2, the range 2 and infinite, union minus infinity between minus 8. There are some common mistakes I must to remind. One is the absolute value can't be negative. Yeah, this one A can't be negative. It must be positive or 0. And solving the absolute value, if the is less than A, we don't forget to use and this intersection sign. And if the absolute value is greater than A, we use or, this union sign. Finally, if you like this video and think the video is useful, you can like it and subscribe to it. Thank you.